There are a couple of things you need to check before the dynamic wallpaper animations can work smoothly. To do that, go to Settings. In here, go to Battery and tap on Power Mode. In here, just make sure low power mode is toggled off. If this is on, dynamic wallpapers won't work properly. Next, go back to the settings menu, and in here go to accessibility and tap on motion. Under motion, just look for the option reduce motion, which is at the top right here, and make sure this is toggled off. This setting blocks animations, so it has to be disabled for the dynamic wallpaper effect to work. So once both of these options are turned off, you're ready to set it up. Now here's how you do it. Lock your phone, then tap and hold on the lock screen to enter the edit mode. Now tap on this plus button at the bottom right corner. Here, scroll down and look for the new iOS 26 wallpaper collections, which is right here. Now you will see a set of 5 different color variations here, and these are the brand new wallpapers that come with iOS 26. Just tap on any one of them and swipe all the way to the left. You'll see the color changes and each one has a name. And at the end of the row, you will find this dynamic option. And that's it. If you select this dynamic wallpaper, your iPhone will now automatically cycle through different color variations of this wallpaper multiple times a day. It doesn't change instantly, just like how you can see in this animation. But yes, you will notice it refreshing several times throughout the day quietly, and you do not have an option to adjust it manually. This works on both light and dark mode. You can apply it to your lock screen and home screen too. Just tap Add and select Set as Wallpaper Pair. So this will apply this wallpaper to both your lock screen and home screen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more iOS 26 updates. Thank you for watching this video. I'll catch you in the next one.